welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a hot man muscles in your gacha character. First you gotta do is to make a character that is so hot. Go to studio because you have to take a screenshot of it so you can edit it later in Ibis Paint X. I used tint to make a white background because I don't know how. Take a screenshot of it. Next, what you gotta do is to search for backgrounds. I use beach backgrounds because why not? I just bored for some reason. Import the background to Ibis Paint X and just, Next, what you gotta do is to search man muscles for your gacha character because why not? I'll download this one because this one looks like a brat. Next, put your gacha character in. Cut the background so it's a lot of easier for you to make an edit. Use magic wand to cut the belly of your gacha character and replace it with a hot muscle. Make sure to make it perfect because we all want a perfect hot babe. not do that. That was a big mistake. So I will make it less big. I don't know. Make the classic gacha sign that says, "What are you looking at?" So it will look more hotter than before. Don't forget to save it and be proud of yourself after making it. The result will be in next video because I don't know why, I'm just bored. Please subscribe and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like too.